How do you know when you need to replace the element inside of your cartridge filter? There's a few ways that you would know that you need to do this. The first one is if you notice any physical damage, such as holes in your filter elements, those filter elements are garbage and you need to get new ones. There cannot be any physical damage. For example, if you have bands around the filter that helps to hold their shape and you notice that those bands have broken, again, that means it's time to get new elements for your cartridge filter. But aside from that, they look pretty good, but they're already 3 years old or 5 years old. How long do they last? When do I replace them? If they if your pool is clear and your system keeps working properly, then go ahead and keep using those filters until you notice that it's not working and your pool is not clear, or you notice physical damage with the filters. The main symptom that you're looking for is filter pressure. As the pressure increases in your filter, that's how you know that the elements are getting dirty. And so you'll open the filter and you'll clean them using a chemical degreasing process, and also by spraying out in between the pleats to wash out the physical debris that's inside. When you return them to the filter, you should notice that your filter pressure has reduced. When filter elements reach the end of their service life, what you'll notice is that very shortly after performing that procedure, you return them to your filter, you turn it on, and the pressure is low again, but by morning it's all the way back up again to the point where you would normally take them out and clean them. And that's what's happening, is there's physical debris that's being embedded deep within the fibers that the filter is made from. And that is how these filter elements reach the end of their service life, and also why you're not supposed to pressure wash the filter elements to clean them, because you'll actually serve to drive the physical debris deeper into them. The filter will appear to be clean, but you'll return it to the system, and very shortly you'll know that your filter pressure is too high again, and that means that it's time to replace the elements inside of your filter. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.